Hey, hey, hey! It's Michelle Curtin with Cartwright Realty, shellsellsfloridahomes.com, 813-693-2224. And I have exciting news for everyone that's looking to get into the Grand Hampton community. It's one of the most desirable communities in New Tampa, Florida. And we have a listing coming soon this week. I'll be doing an open house at the property this Saturday, March 16th from 12 to 3 p.m. And the address is 7966 Hampton Lake Drive. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, little over 2,800 square feet. It's beautiful. And look, it's got this really cute, let me position the camera. It's got a really cute front porch. And it is located in, like I say, in Grand Hampton, which when you live here, you have access to a community lap pool, as well as a heated resort style pool. We've got tennis courts, a fitness center, playgrounds, basketball courts, a clubhouse where we have lots and lots of activities, including Ladies Night Out every third Thursday of the month, sponsored by Cartwright Realty. So it's a really fabulous place to live. And we're just very excited about this new listing. I will have my friend Bill Heiser accompanying me at the open house. He's with Mortgage Plus. And so if you're not pre-qualified yet, he'd be happy to talk to you about that and let you know what your budget would be for your new home. And even if you have spoken with a lender, it's always a good idea to get more than one quote, because they're all, they all have different products available, different rates, and so on. So it's a good thing to shop. And of course, since it's St. Patrick's Day weekend, we're going to have a St. Patty's Day theme. So come on over. And you don't need the luck of the Irish to score this beautiful house. You just need to come and see it and fall in love and make us an offer. So this Saturday, March 16th, 12 to 3 p.m., I'm Michelle Curtin with Cartwright Realty, shellsellsfloridahomes.com, 813-693-2224. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and we will hopefully see you soon. Have a great day.